What's the meaning of cross-stitch? Cross-stitch. Cross-stitch.
Cross-stitch. Cross-stitch. Cross-stitch is a form of needlework where X-shaped stitches are used to form a pattern. The stitches are made on a loosely woven fabric, such as Ida cloth or linen, using embroidery floss or thread. A chart or pattern is typically used to guide the placement of the stitches, and the final result is a textured and colorful image, often used for decorative purposes such as samplers, wall hangings, or framed artwork. Cross-stitch has been practiced for centuries and continues to be a popular form of handicraft today.